What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change, delete your address, alright? So it's pretty simple. Just remember that if you only have one address in PayPal, you can't delete it. Because in PayPal, you need to put an address. It's compulsory. So if you think you can leave your address bar empty, then you can't, alright? But there is a process through which you can change it. So let me show you the way. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment, and let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? First step, go to paypal.com, log in into your account. Click on this gear looking icon over here. Now it'll take you to its setting page. Now once you're over here where it says address, to change your address, you can click on edit. Now if you want to make some minor changes, like let's say I want to change it from Kathmandu to Lalitpur, I can write Lalitpur, click on update, wait for some time, and my address will be changed like that. But if you want to delete that address, what you need to do is you want to click on add new. Now once you click on add new, you can add a new address over here. So I'm gonna add a new address over here. I can just click on add address, wait for some time, and once this address is added, as you guys can see, now I have two addresses. Click on see all addresses. Now what I can do is I can click on set as primary, click on confirm. Now this address is set as primary and the older address is down below over here because it's not primary anymore. So I can click on remove, and that address is removed. So that's how you guys can change, remove or edit your address on PayPal. So if you found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.